Hello, my name is Noemi Quintero Duran. I'm going the present my tour in Salvases. A, a place to enjoy with family and friends. It is the tourist territory and the whites. They contain six attractive beaches such as 1. The beaches de Colorado. The beaches of the Lions. The beaches on the Lions. The beaches of Maculito. The beaches of Las Palmitas. The beach of Puerto Real. This is the photo where the kitchen de Ciénaga de Zapatosa and some fishermen in their canoe. Here and right a motorcycle, bikes and hard. In the parque sumergen the Shen sport and the base of the swan exists the delicious dye prepared by the house. The Hotel Brisas del Norte and Hotel Los Casitos take over comfortable room for you to stay during the happy tour. Food chicharron with jacket, lemon and macaron, while fried shreds fixed with good jacket, baco chico, with do with cold banana, beverages, panela guarap, corozo house, lemon with panela. This is de are the fruits de la región. We will read for you. Thank you.